me Simi and welcome to another super exciting episode of La Maison L'Oréal Paris. So I hope आप सब अपने अपने घर पे अपनी families के साथ safe है and you guys are maintaining social distancing. Do whatever you want to, but please घर पे रहिए. So in today's video, I'm going to show you something that normally आप salon appointment book करेंगे जिसके लिए, but आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि आप कैसे इसको अपने घर बैठे अपने आप कर सकते हैं. Yes, I'm talking about coloring your hair. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified and updated every time we upload a new video. So I have never colored my hair at home, but I'm going to call someone who's going to make your life very easy. And she's also our guest for today. She's got a great style and has been tutoring people on makeup beauty tips and tricks. So please welcome Prableen Kaur Bumrah. Hi Prableen, how are you doing? Welcome to La Maison L'Oréal Paris. I hope you're safe at home with your family and practicing social distancing.
Hi Simi, I hope you're doing great as well. Yeah, it's actually been the same. And how is your quarantine going?
It's going okay actually. So for today's video, I actually had a fun idea. मैं सोच रही थी क्यों ना हम अपने viewers को दिखाएं कैसे घर बैठे हम अपने बाल color कर सकते हैं. And who better than you can teach them? So what do you think about it? Let's get into the video.
Yeah, definitely. Like hair color घर पे करना is extremely easy. इसको ज़्यादा time भी नहीं लगता है, so you can definitely do it. And I'm going to be using the L'Oréal Paris Casting Creme Gloss in the shade 535, which is chocolate. And it's such a beautiful shade. And I'm going to be using that on my hair. So yeah, let's just get to it.
I'm so excited. Let's start.
Okay, so इसमें ज़्यादा चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You need a pair of gloves जो इसके बॉक्स में आता है, and you need a towel. And if you need to like flaunt your hair and style your hair, you need to use a hair dryer, and that is pretty much it. And you also have the link to the product in the description box. Firstly, you need to take a towel and place it on top of your shoulders so that you don't spoil your clothes. एंड इफ़ आपके पास कोई भी ओल्ड टी शर्ट या कुछ है जो आप पहन सकते हो तो आप उसको पहन लीजिए सो दैट आपके कपड़े गंदे ना हो. एंड नेक्स्ट अप आई एम गोइंग टू गो इन एंड वेयर द ग्लव्स. So these are the gloves that come along with the package and मैं इसको पहन लूँगी so that मेरे हाथ गंदे ना हो. Yeah, so you get 3 things in the package. One is this is the Casting Creme Gloss Developer. Then we have the Casting Creme Gloss Colorant. And we also have a conditioner जिसके बारे में मैं बाद में बताऊंगी.
So I have a quick question for you. अभी because I'm a beginner और मैंने कभी बाल कलर नहीं किए तो मुझे पता नहीं है exactly developer क्या होता है और colorant क्या होता है. जहाँ तक मेरी knowledge है, I think developer base होता है and colorant is something that gives like that actually colors your hair.
Yes, exactly. So mixing both of them will actually give you the color that you want. And I'm going with a chocolate color. So I hope my hair color. So basically my hair is going to turn brown after this whole procedure is done. So yeah, I'm excited to see that.
But I've also heard that you need to do some sort of an allergy test before आप अपने बाल color करें. Is that true? आपने किया?
So yeah, I actually did the 24-hour test. You have to take a earbud and dip it in the colorant and place it behind one ear to check if you have any reactions or allergies. And I did it and मुझे कोई reactions या allergies नहीं हुए. So it's safe to use. And I'm just going to show you how you can do it if you're planning to color your hair. So all you need to do is take a earbud and dip it in the colorant, and once you have this, all you need to do is place it right behind your ears and see if you feel any reaction or any allergies to it. And if you don't have any, then you know that you are completely safe to use it. And moving forward, we are going to open this developer and put all of the colorant inside it. Okay, so I'm just squeezing this entire thing into the developer. So I've mixed the colorant into the developer and now we're just going to shake this really well. If you can see, the color is already like, you can see the difference.
Yeah, it looks like a chocolate brown color already.
Yeah, so I've taken my entire hair here because मैंने अपने पूरे scalp में और properly डाल दिया है hair color को, and now I'm taking the entire thing to the ends. So you want to put it properly like this, and then you want to spread it all across. And always use the twisting method because once you twist it, the product will properly, like, you know, disperse throughout your hair. So make sure that you twist while you're putting up color. So I'm taking the color on my hand so that if I've missed like a few spots here and there, I can, you know, make sure that every place is like covered.
So I mean, looking at you color your hair right now is just so amazing, because I never thought I could, you know, color my hair at home, but it really looks very easy while you're doing it. And I'm really excited to, you know, for you to get a makeover right here in this video. It's really exciting, to be honest. So how long is this procedure gonna take?
Yeah, I think we're almost done. Like, it hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes to apply the color on your hair. And once it's done, you need to keep it for like 20 minutes. And after that, you can just, you know, use the conditioner and you're good to go. You can see like a proper visible difference on your hair. And I'm excited for you to see it, and I am excited to see it myself, you know, like how it turns out. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my hair from my left shoulder to my right, so that if I've missed like any spot here behind, because we tend to miss it, and then, you know, when we're tying a ponytail or something like that, that is when we'll be able to see the difference. So you don't want to do that. So you want to massage it properly into your hair. Okay, so now I'm done applying the entire color on my hair. So just make sure that you apply the color evenly throughout your hair, because you don't want to leave any patches where the color hasn't been put properly. And now, since the entire procedure is done, I'm just going to tie my hair on top. You can either tie your hair or leave your hair down for 20 minutes. And after that, you are good to condition it and see the results.
Alright, so now that we have 20 minutes on our hands, are you ready for a rapid fire round? Because I have a few questions that I thought would be interesting, since we're waiting for your hair to get colored. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm excited.
Okay, so it's a rapid fire round and you have to be really quick, okay? Lip color, natural or dramatic?
Natural. I'm more like a nude sort of a person.
Body positivity to you in 3 words.
Body positivity would be self-confidence, self-love, and appreciation.
Oh, that's wonderful, actually. A rumor about you that isn't true.
So there's a backstory. So I had a friend in school who wasn't friends with me anymore, and then she spread a rumor saying that I was really rude and arrogant and I had a lot of ego. So everybody assumed it, and then, you know, people stopped talking to me. So like, that was a really bad rumor about me. So I didn't like that.
Okay, you guys, she is not rude. She's actually a very sweet person. There we cleared it, okay? So if you were a makeup product, what would your slogan and tagline be?
If I were a makeup product, it would be a smile. A smile can make you beautiful.
Ooh, so what makeup product? Lipstick?
Yeah, lipstick, definitely. A nude lipstick. Yeah, I think.
Okay. Next question. Movies on the big screen or in bed?
On the big screen. I'm missing it during this quarantine. I need to go to the theatre.
Really? I'm more of a movies in the bed kind of a person. But anyway, moving on. Favorite dessert?
Favorite dessert has to be cookies or cupcakes. I love them.
Amazing. The cringiest pickup line used on you?
Cringe. Okay, so someone said that, is your dad a terrorist because you're a bomb? So that was so ew. Like, I was like, gee, dude. Very.
Okay. Foundation, brush or blender?
No, I'm more of a beauty blender person. I don't think it blends that well with a brush.
Next question. The meanest comment you come across on your work?
Okay, so someone on my YouTube commented that you're so fat you don't fit on your screen, and that was so mean. Like, it was really mean, so I didn't like it at all. But like, eventually I don't let that affect me. Like, in the beginning it used to, but now it doesn't, so it's okay.
Yeah, I think you just need to let it go, because you can't hold on to such mean comments. You get so many other positive comments and you need to like hold on to those and just let those mean ones go, okay? And okay, moving on to the next question. Biggest beauty role model?
Biggest beauty role model would be, I love Nikki Tutorials. She's great. Like, I really love her work. She's so precise and I love what she does. And I also love Malvika Satlani's work. She's really good. Like, very relatable and very like everyday looks. And I just really like her.
Oh, perfect. If you were invisible for a day, where would you go?
Okay, I would. I don't know. I would rather go to like Aditya Roy Kapoor's house and watch him work out because he's so hot, dude.
Prableen, I think with that we're done with the rapid fire, and I think anyway we are running short of time because I think 20 minutes are up. So why don't we just let you go now, get your hair washed and everything, and I can't really wait to see your hair with a makeover and everything.
Yeah, Simi, even I can't wait to see how my hair turns out to be. And I'm going to use a third container, which is the conditioner, and I'm going to use it on my hair, and let's just see what the result is. Okay, so see you soon. Bye.
So look guys, Prableen is back after her hair wash. Hi Prableen.
Hi. This is what my damp hair looks like, and मैंने gloves पहने हुए थे जब मैंने condition किया. So now I'm just going to blow dry my hair and show you all what the final results are. Hi guys, I am back and I just blow dried my hair and this is what it looks like. I personally really love the way the color has stayed. Like, I really like the way it looks.
So I can see your hair has turned this really nice chocolatey brown color, and all of the blonde that you had earlier is nicely covered now. So I think that is what you were going for.
Yes, exactly. That's what I was going for, and I love that how perfectly it stayed on my hair. Like, it looks really nice.
So thank you so much, Prableen, for joining us today and teaching us how to color our hair. Hopefully we'll connect soon, and stay safe, and that's it. Bye.
Bye.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video और आप घर बैठे अपने बाल कलर करना सीख चुके होंगे. कमेंट करके मुझे जरूर बताएं कि आपको कैसी लगी आज की वीडियो. And that's it for today. Please घर पे रहिए, stay safe, stay indoors and follow all of the guidelines and take all the necessary precautions. And जाने से पहले सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा, and also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified and updated every time we upload a new video. And also the link to the L'Oreal Paradise Casting Creme Gloss Hair Color that we've used in today's video is mentioned in the description box below. And with that, it's a wrap. I will see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, I hope you're staying home and staying safe. I'm proud to share that L'Oreal India has taken a step towards helping our country in this time of need through their initiative called L'Oreal India Gives Back. Click the link in the description box to know more about it.